Welcome to Puzzle back here on GG 5K in the balance. Before I start, make sure to check out my 25K leaderboard for top wagers and call GK68 on my website gk68.gg. Here we go. Let's do my case. Skeleton, Banksy, green case. Here we go. This is gonna be a juicer. 3v3. Crazy mode. Alright. Imagine Dragon Lore. Wait, I need a crazy mode. Fuck. Don't be a Dragon Lore. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I don't know why I didn't remember that I did crazy mode. That's weird. Anyways, that was good. I did crazy mode. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. They took the lead already. Banks case. Juices, buddy. How much are those? Okay. Alright, 2.5. 1k difference. No pulls here and we're chilling. Alright, that's a win. That's a pretty decent win. That's a pretty 1.6k. Run it back, man. Run it back. Run it back, mate. Banksy case. Yeah, that was a bad pull, dude. Should have given the sapphire to the bots. Or the Ganganier. Okay, come on. Dragon Lore. Imagine, dude. Imagine. Imagine these nuts. Okay, dude, the 79 sapphire. Let's fucking go. That's the only item that wasn't unboxed from this case. Let's fucking do my case as a juicer. My case is a fucking juicer. Come on, more. Let's pull more. Let's feed. Let's feed. Like 4 rain spins in here. Or 1. 1 is good as well. Nice. Wait, what's... Okay. Any pool except for Dragon Lore. How about that? Any pool except for Dragon Lore. Alright. Alright. Didn't feed too much, but this fucking paid fat, buddy. This paid fat. Let's fucking go, dude. 0.2%. In my case, is simply the best case, alright? It's just the best case. I was super close to Dragon Lore. Super close. 3v3 jackpot mode. I wanted to do a crazy mode jackpot mode, but fuck it, dude, come on. I was gonna do a jackpot mode, crazy mode, but alright, here we go, dude. Let's just get some juicer pulls. Let's get some juicer pulls in. I don't know why, but it's the most satisfying getting a rain spin on rain GG, dude. It's just the most satisfying to get it here. And it appears more often. Okay, come on, get the pulls in, dude. Okay, there we go. Bowie and little rain spin here, come on. Be a juicer. Never had a huge pull from the bota case. I've had some decent ones, but yeah, see, like a skeleton. Underwhelming, dude. Underwhelming pull. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. We need some juicer pulls, dude. Come on, GK68. You need to pull, dude. You need to pull. You need to pull, buddy. This battle is paying super bad right now. No one's pulling, man. No one's pulling. Come on. Fuck, 6 cases in. This is paying bad. Okay. We need to start pulling, sir. We need to start pulling. Come on. Everyone needs to start pulling. Holy shit, this is bad. This is really bad. Come on. Dude, the tickets went out of window. The tickets went out of window. Green case, save us, dude. Save our freaking asses here. You have like 30% chance. Stop. Not even this, dude, we didn't pull at all. I have 0.17, but I pulled 8 coins. Dude, I pulled 8 freaking coins. Holy shit. Red, yellow, somehow. I don't know. Red, yellow. Okay, we won. I have no idea how we won, and this battle paid trash, guys. Hate the jackpot mode, man. Hate the fucking jackpot mode, man. That sucked. That just sucked, dude. That was a sucker, dude. That was a sucker. That was a sucker, dude. That's annoying, dude. That's super annoying. That is super freaking annoying. That's just super annoying, bro. Fuck. Pull the howl as well. Better percentage. Fuck, man. Now I pull. Come on, buddy. Come on, man. Come on, brother. Come on, dude. Be a juicer. Rain spin. Come on. Teleknife. Alright. That's slightly super annoyed I am. Slightly super annoyed. Slightly super annoyed. Same tools. Alright. So it's gonna be a coin flip, I guess. It's gonna be a coin flip. Just gotta make sure this fucking bot doesn't pull, or maybe it doesn't even matter. I'm not sure. Yeah. Anyways, both IKs, just pay. Just pay, dude. Just pay us some juice. Okay. Fuck. Fuck, man. GG. We need this bot to pull now. We are gonna have like a 2% chance if it doesn't pull. Come on. Come on. Stop. We're fucked, dude. We're super fucked. We're like super freaking fucked, dude. Super duper fucked, dude. Wait. We have a chance. We have a chance, guys. Have a chance. Alright. Have a chance now, guys. We have a freaking chance. Fuck off, but 11. 35%, dude. 35% is fine, alright. 30, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, come on. Blue. Nice, we won. Nice. Nice. Have a chance to make a comeback here, guys. And we do have crazy mode. Jackpot mode. Yeah. Crazy mode, jackpot mode, here we go. All in, dude. Man, we would have ended already at 12k coiners if we didn't freaking lose, man. That battle juiced so hard and we lost, dude. That was annoying. That was annoying, dude. Alright. Interesting start. Interesting start. Super interesting start so far. Oh my fucking. Let's go. Come on. Juice, buddy. Juice. Yellow. Don't pull, dude. Just don't, okay? Okay, this is a 50-50 so far, basically. Kind of. Coin flip type of shit. Another juicer? Man, those gloves are freaking 6.8k, man. Alright, pull. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on, buddy? That's so many freaking rain spins. Holy shit. How much are this? Oh my fucking god, this is paying, dude. We have to win this. We have to freaking win this one. Or, oh no. That's a big problem. That's a big problem. Pull a juicer, sir. Have a fucking 4%, dude. Oh no. We are not gonna have a chance to fucking win even. Oh boy. We're fucked. We're super fucked, dude. We are super fucked. Holy shit. It's a donor, dude. It's a donor. I don't know. Yeah, we can still win with like 0.5%. It's doable. It's doable, guys. Alright, it's doable. It's doable. Never give up, dude. Never give up. Never give up, guys. Never give up, okay. Come on. This bot just needs to... Fuck off, dude. Bot 19. Just fuck off, dude. Just fuck off. This is paying so... This is paying fat. We have like 45. This bot needs to pull, bro. This bot needs to just... No, GK, dude, the fuck off, man. Just fuck off. Okay. So. Come on. Yellow, red, blue. 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 Yellow. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go. This is... We won a fucking war, dude. We won a fucking war, dude. This was a fucking war, and we won the fucking war, dude. Let's fucking go. I'm going 300 coins on right here, and I'm out, dude. This was a crazy session. This was a crazy session, dude. Anyways, guys, if you do want to play on here and click deposit, type in code GK68. Get 5% depot bonus, 25k leaderboard. There is a 7.5k contents in my Discord as well, so check it out. I'll see you in the next one, pals. Peace.